Lower it slowly now. Watch the alignment on the starboard side.
Okay, bringing it down.
Turret is secured. Move to the rear and mount the spare.
Roger, mounting now.
Secure the screed right there. Hydraulics connected. Controls are green. We are ready to pave.
Front wing attached.
Rear wing secure. Suspension clear.
Steering column connected. Pressure checked. Ready to go.
Tighten that bolt on the suspension.
Crane coming down. Watch your fingers.
Tires look good, just finish the lug nuts.
All right, easy now. Bring the bed down slowly. Watch the hydraulics on the right.
Copy that. Coming down now.
Okay, easy now. Watch the cable. Almost there. Set it down gently. Clear on the starboard side.
The header goes here. Gently now.
Got it.
Is the grain tank aligned correctly?
Okay, easy now. Does that align with the shield?
Looks good from here. Lock the jacks.
Roger that.
Panel alignment is complete. How are the underbody sensors?
Just finished the calibration. We are ready for the first sequence.
Ensure the couplers are secure before we move to the next car.
Roger that. The pantograph is aligned and secured.
Hand me the wrench! Here you go. Are the hydraulics connected yet?
Just finished the last line.
Secure the suspension bolt now. Copy that. Making sure the light bar is secure. Hand me the navigation unit.
All right, easy now. Bring the boom up.
Got the bits secured.
Controls are set. We're good to go.